Today, let me show you one of HUAYANG's core products, HFW steel pipes. HFW steel pipes are made from steel coils and formed through high-frequency welding process. At HUAYANG, HFW steel pipes can be produced with diameters ranging from 73 to 660 millimeters and wall thicknesses ranging from 2.5 to 20 millimeters, covering a wide range of engineering requirements. The products are manufactured using multiple automated production lines, ensuring high production efficiency and consistent weld quality. Throughout production processing, key steps like welding, sizing, and inspection are carefully controlled. That's why HFW steel pipes are widely used in oil and gas transportation, municipal pipelines, and various infrastructure projects. With a comprehensive range of specifications and stable quality, the products perform reliably in real-world engineering projects. This is HUAYANG HFW steel pipes, designed for the reliable and stable operation and pipeline systems in everyday use.